Picture? Yes, you are taking a picture. Of what? Everything or just?
Say what's up. Why are you standing like that? That's guts. You know I was doing a video.
Are you doing a video? Just standing there? Let me see.
That's why I was like, what are you doing? Say something. How you feel?
I feel like I want to see what I look like in this camera right now. I'm going to put that on a social cam.
Social cam.
I'll put that on social cam. I have my right to privacy.
So what's in that belly right there?
It's a tumor. Good, low battery.
No, we do it, you know. Alright, I'm gonna just take a picture now.
No, let me see the video.
Let me take a picture first. Stand back.
So funny that you still doing the video.
Nope, I'm trying to erase it. Here. Here, don't erase it.
No, I'm trying to look at the. It's not even doing anything.
You're trying to erase it.